sitting in here with Gluten-Free Mom Certified. And we got a box today. How exciting. Should we open it?
Yeah.
It's kind of heavy. All right, I got scissors.
You got the scissors?
Yes. Who's this from?
It's by me.
It's for you? All right, open it up. Let's see what we get. Ready?
Ready.
We got, what is this?
I don't know.
What is that?
It's for you.
It's for Mommy. We got flour from the real gluten-free Jewels. This is exciting. We can make more muffins. What else, Lily?
For me.
That was for Lily. What is that one?
Okay.
Brownies. It looks like little chocolate cakes on the front. And again, these, she's licking the box, are from the real gluten-free Jewels. So check her out on Twitter or on Facebook, and we'll have a review for you coming very soon.
Over
You
there.
want to open and make it today? They're excited. Thank you, Jules.